अभी तो हम हैं अभी हम और उसको इतनी बहुत लग गया कॉन्शियसनेस की बस अब वो ही एक मोटर में आप ये करो अपना
वीडियो से बनाना छु
We are coming!
It's only the willing to see their dreams.
पाँच रुपये अति एंट्री
Lord, peace, we know, as we know. Only the willing see their dream.
भुर्जुलगोथ पहुंच चुके हैं अभी। अब हम स्वागत देखिए किस तरह हमारे लोकल की खुशी में हमें वेव कर रहे हैं। सामान में हमें भी इसको वेव करना चाहिए। थैंक यू फॉर ब्यूटीफुल ऑक्सीजन यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग अस। थैंक यू।
ऋषि का हाल चाल? न पता
नेचर हमें पास्ट में रखवाता है या फ्यूचर में रखवाता है तो नेचर का तो वो 22 पर लिख जाता है ना यार। नेचर तो फिर 22 हो गया। खुद
प्रेजेंट में हमें जो है पास
नेचर नहीं कर रहा
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, नेचर
है, ये इंसान ही कर रहा है।
आफ्टर ये
तो मतलब हम प्रेजेंट में नहीं हैं।
इंसान खुद बेवकूफ़ बनता है और अपने आप को पास में खेल रहा है सोशल साइकोलॉजिकल इंसान पास में या फ्यूचर में वो रहता है।
दौड़ा थोड़ा। अबे यार छजिया माल जी पाक भवन मैंने कदा रोसा था
थैंक यू
थैंक यू ना दोन दोन रिवील करियो
for this wonderful and full of astonishing experiences which you guys have experienced in the last 2 days. It was all because of our mutual trust for each other, our mountain surviving skills, our grit and intolerance towards ourselves, which have helped us to understand the tolerant mountains. Yesterday on 9th of November 2025 we started this wonderful trek from Sonder, which is about 1600 meters from the sea level, and by trekking 7 to 8 kilometers, we were accompanied by few wonderful, grateful guys from the mountainous village called Kibber, who helped us to make this experience more beautiful. And those guys were Mr. Rajkumar
King.
from the Kibber village, and Deepak Kumar from the Kibber. Although Deepak have left
Early in the morning.
today in the morning towards his home, but it's 10th now, 10th of November, and we are heading back towards our home. And right now we are at the
Kibber.
which point? What is this point?
Kavradi.
Kavradi. From this point,
You just
Mr. Rajkumar will apart from us towards his native village, and I and Mr. Pradeep will go back down to the Sonder Valley. It was all our grit, our will, our ruthlessness that helped us to reach more and more closer to the Brammah Peak. Yesterday's evening halt was at Namaskar Sthal, or some people call it a Salami Point, from where you can see the first glimpse of the Brammah Valley. It was a fantastic night last night. We enjoyed some bonfire, some music, some dance,
some yoga.
some cooked meat, some veggies, and
Special Rajma Dal from Kibber.
we did some stargazing for half an hour, and that was our yesterday's experience. And today, waking up early in the morning, first we did some morning exercises, some stretchings, then we had a breakfast prepared by Rajkumar and Pradeep ji, and after that we left more towards the Brammah Peak, and or you can say reached the Bhurzulgoth point. So guys, thank you.
Bye bye, Tata.
Be healthy, be safe, love yourself, love the mountains, love the rivers, have some patience towards nature, have some patience towards all the human beings on this earth. Thank you. Bye. And Mr. Pradeep ji, how was your experience?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah. This is
What was your personal experience?
it was a good experience. Yes.
Sorry, you were both of us.
See, you know,